Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Story Behind the Story. Now, we have been covering a lot of political issues. The elections are just over. We did an analysis a couple of days back. However, today has really hit the headlines is a couple of law and order incidents in North Goa. Starting with murders which happened in Mapsa, now the demolition, the connivance of the top police officials trying to throw everything under the carpet, denials, the government being pulled in. The blame obviously is going to go on the government. The blame for all this, whatever is happening, is obviously going to land at the feet of the chief minister, which probably he doesn't realize, even though whoever may do, the cops may do anything. Now, to discuss this, analyze this, especially given the fact that most of these IPS officers are non-Goans and most of the people who are involved and culprits are Goans, I have a panel which is basically a non-political panel. We have a politician in it, but he's more of an NGO than a politician. Let me introduce him. Starting with Pratima Bai Kutino, my good friend and political analyst, as she likes to be called. Sanjay Bab Berde from the Congress, but also an activist, farmers activist. Sanjay Bab, welcome. Vincent Bab Rizorio, our very own journalist. Vincent Bab, welcome to our show. And another two panelists will be joining us a little later. But starting off, Pratima Bab, कितें चल्लां गोंयांत? तुमी last time Bob मारताले that okay, governance, politics, all that. But this is basic law and order. This is basic Goans. This is basic fear of the police. पुलीस भिना लोक भिना पुलिसींक कोणी कितेंय दादागिरी बायले येता सांगता ते पयशे उडोवंक जाता दे कॅन गेट अवे विथ लिटरली मर्डर धमकी दिता चालू हा पॉलिटिकल will ना टू क्रॅक डाउन कितें चल्लां एक्झॅक्टली इन अकॉर्डिंग टू यू
First and foremost, thank you very much for calling us on this discussion. See, let me tell you, Glenn Bob, when you started, you said law and order. Let me tell you that law and order is totally collapsed in Goa. And I am making this charge openly. I don't have to go far. Just this 1 month. या एक म्हयन्यान म्हाका कितले फोन येयले आनी कितले कडेन हांव पावला पळय ते सगल्यो ह्यो लॉ एंड ऑर्डराच्यो केसीस सगळे पुलीस स्टेशनात वचून आमकां धाडपाक पडटा सी if I'm not mistaken, you must be knowing, you all carried it on 365, that case where Shiridaw, एक चली 20 years old, आपले धाकले भयणीक स्कुलाक पावपाक वयताली ती आपले मार्गान आसलोली हेल्मेट घालून आसलोली तिका कोण एकलो फास्ट स्पीड करून एकलो भुरगो येयलो तिका मारली शी वॉज डिक्लेअर्ड डेड 20 year old गर्ल गॉन तेजेर केस रिजिस्टर जायना आसली FIR रिजिस्टर जायना आसली चार्जशीट जायना आसली वी हॅड टू गो इन आगासाई एंड टेल द SP was good enough. She was really good enough. She told us, we told her, we are giving you 7 days time. We are not come to listen to any stories. You have to register. Otherwise, आम्ही हंगामा कुत्तली बायलांनी येऊन. The family came with us. But within 7 days, luckily, ते झाले registered. आणि तितून जाल्या high profile एकलो police officers असलो. I would not like to name because then it goes personal. But एकलो device piece असा. तेजेच बहिणीचो चलो तो who committed that crime. So, isn't it like that influence was played? If it was you, or your son or my son committing this crime and that person dying on the spot आमकां सोडपाची दुसरी केस सांगता तुका दुसरी केस तुका डोंट गो फार नॉर्थाचेर सांगता तुका GMC 21 days तो अहमद म्हणटात तो भुरगो म्हापशेचो हावसिंग बोर्ड कॉलनीतलो 21 days he was in the ICU like cabbage and he was being beaten up with rods in the middle of the night. He was called and he thought he is going for a compromise. 7 to 8 guys calling him saying to compromise आणि तेका रॉडान मारलो तो सांगता तांकां म्हजी बायल प्रेग्नंट आसा 7 म्हयन्याची शी नीड्स मी सॉरी तुमचे वाटे घेवपाना कांयच नाशिल्लें एक दीस ते बारीक बिकॉज ऑफ कार इश्यू ते भुरग्याक गॅरेजीन कितें म्हणलें म्हूण अहमदाक मारलो आनी विटनस आसा तो तेजे बारा तेजो फ्रेंड जो गेल्लो सालकर म्हणून तेणे सगळें सांगलां तेकाय मारलो वयल्यान पूल मारता तेन्ना तेका सांगता वय जीव आसा जाल्यार पळय रे तेका इतली दादागिरी एंड वी हियर दे आर व्हेरी पॉवरफुल गुंडाज ऑफ म्हापसा गुंडा कोणे केल्यात गुंडा कोणे पोसल्यात तू म्हाका सांग इतले की 21 days he was dying struggling and that pregnant woman 7 months first baby जावपाची she stayed in the hospital in GMC after 21 days he passed away. तुम्ही कोणाक वाटता बारके बिबटे आसता पळय 6 जाणां काडून दवरले पूण मेन जे दोग जाण आसलेले पळय तो आरके आनी बालेकर म्हणटा तो तांकां हाडून नासलें. ते खंयच्यान भोंवताले, फ्रीडम कशें मेळ्ळो, फ्री हँड कसो मेळ्ळो, क्रिमिनल मर्डरांक न्ही. It is nexus between politicians and this gundas. I am telling you straight. So then after we made a hue and cry, board kelo, family मुपाले आमी body व्हरपाक ना, आमी म्हणले till they are caught we will not. Within one day then the PI said okay, आमी उतर दितात, तुम्ही ताका व्हरात आनी तेजे take his body. I was the one who went in the GMC in the morgue with that pregnant lady and a mother. I have never gone and seen such a thing. Looking at that 2 days like nightmares, हांव भिला पळोवन. आणि देन दे टोल्ड देम एक दिसाचो टायम दी, आमी ताका हाडटा, तुमी ती बॉडी व्हरात. आनी एक दिसान ते मेळ्ळे आनी आतां ते अरेस्ट जाले. तेज्यान पयस वचनाका. वर्स टू वर्स हे संजय बाब आसा म्हजे बरोबर. संजय बर्देन कॉल दिलो, प्रतिमा तूं पावतले जाल्यार तुका चड पयस पडटलें, तुका नावेली मडगांव साकून येवपाक पडटलें, आसागांव हें जालां. कितें जालां संजय बाब, तूं पळय म्हणपालो ती घर म्हणपालो डेमोलिश केला, दिसाचे डेमोलिश केला म्हणपालो, बाउन्सर्स हाडून 3 जाणांक न्ही म्हणपालो, हाफ बुलडोज केला, घर म्हणपाले दिसाचे काबार केला. आणि ते फॅमिलीचे ते दादल्याक आनी ताका म्हणपाले तेजे चल्याक बाउन्सर घेवन भोंवता म्हणपालो, 3:30 वेल्यान 10 हाडला. आणि त्या बायलेक गरज आसा, प्रिसिल्ला अगरवाडेकर, तिका म्हणपालो हेल्प जाय आनी आमी एक्टिविस्ट या. हांवें म्हणलें ताका डायरेक्टली डोंट वरी, आय ट्राय माय बेस्ट एंड आय वॉज देर एट 10 o'clock in the morning. वी वेंट टू द पुलीस स्टेशन. somehow PI was busy somewhere. Then we went to the spot, we met the family, we assured them all support, full 100% support. आम्ही सांगले फिजिकली, मेंटली, फायनान्शियली आम्ही सपोर्ट करता, आम्ही तुमच्या बरा कार्पेट दवरपाक जाय. कित्याक फर्स्ट टायम हे हॉस्ले जाल्ले आहा जी ओपन गुंडागिरी जावपाक लागल्या. आणि त्या दिसा हांवें चार्ज केलो विदाउट एनी बिग इन्फ्लुएन्शियल पर्सन, दीस कॅनॉट टेक प्लेस म्हणून. हे बिहार, झारखंड, UP जातालें, ह्या गोंयान जावपाक ना. कशें? कित्याक? बिकॉज ही दादागिरी जाल्ली आसा आनी नेक्सस जे आसा पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज घेवन जे नाचतात तांकां लागून. वायट दिसता म्हणल्यार सगळें जालें, सगळें पावले. तिजे ओन MLA डिलायला लोबो येवन तिका सांगता आपूण तुज्या बारा आहा, एक्शन घेवची म्हूण. मायकल लोबो वयता, तो ऑपोजिशन लिडर युरियो वयता, एल्टन MLA वयता, सगळे सोशल एक्टिविस्ट आमी वयता, सगळे सपोर्ट दिता, सगळे बरे लायन आसा. CMाक प्रेशर येता, CM रातचो जॅकेट घालून पावसान वयता आनी तिका सांगता हांव घर बांदून दितलो. आमच्या टॅक्साचे पयशे ते आपूण घर बांदून दितलो, आपूण कोत्तलो. पण नेक्स्ट डे कितें जाता? यू टर्न जाता. यू टर्न. Worst part is that array next day it's a U-turn. And why do I say that? A lady is saying that we don't need any support from the government, we don't want house to be built, and I'm feeling sorry for that Pooja Sharma. Now who is Pooja Sharma? This Priscilla Agarwadekar jeka आखे गोंयकारांनी सपोर्ट दिलो. फॉरगेट ऑपोजिशन, फॉरगेट गव्हर्नमेंट. गोंयकार नीज गोंयकार जे आसा त्यांचे रगत शिजलेले, हे कसली दादागिरी काय म्हणून. आणि तिका सपोर्ट दिलो आनी शी कम्स विथ अ स्टेटमेंट सेइंग दॅट वी डोंट वॉन्ट एनीथिंग. आय एम फिलिंग सॉरी फॉर दॅट पूजा शर्मा. म्हाका 6 वरां म्हणपाली पुलीस स्टेशनात दवरला, तिका फाल्यां दवरल्या, तेकाय भुरगो आसा. आगो तूं जे मनशाक वळखना म्हणल्यार तूं गोंयांक तुवें विकलें आनी तुवें दिल्ली बायलेक तुवें लागीं घेतलें. तिका विचारलें तूं वळखता तिका काय म्हणून. आपूण वळखना. मागीर कोण रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह येयल्लो खंय, तेणें सांगलें घर बांदून दितलो आनी आमी केस विड्रॉ. दलाल. And abiding, dalal is not a bad word, huh? See, I never use bad words. Dalal means a broker. Now, dalal, जो पॉलिटिकल आणि बिल्डर लॉबीचो मध्ये दलाल आसा पळय, तो दलाल आयलो आनी दलालान ते सेटिंग केलें. पण दुखता कितें आमकां आयज? दुखता की त्या बायलेन, आय फेल्ट समवे दॅट शी सोल्ड अ सोल आनी शी टूक ऑल ऑफ अस फॉर ग्रांटेड. द वन्स हू वेंट आउट ऑफ इट. आमकां भुरगीं नात, तिका पुजाचे राव पुजाचे तिका माहिती दिसता. सेम ओल्ड गोवा बांगलो चायनाचो सेम जाल्लो आसा. ती शी इज हॅव्हिंग पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज, शी इज अ स्पोक पर्सन. ओल्ड गोवाचो बंगलो सगळो इलिगल आहा. गोविना पिंटो जी ओनर आसा ती सांगता लेट हे फोर्स केला म्हणटा, लायसन्स TCPक बीन घातला न्ही, तो बंगलो काडला. ती म्हणटा ती स्मृती इराणी सिली सोल्स घालून आसा ती आयज गोंयांत. ती खंय कोण मेल्ल्या मनशाचे खंय लायसन्सीस काडला. हे कितें? आनी जेन्ना PI काळ प्रसल देसाय whatever it is, लोक म्हणटा सस्पेंड केलो तांकां केलो. पण बलिका बकरा तुम्ही आमचे गोंयच्या PIक आनी PSIक केला. तुम्ही सस्पेंड DGP कित्याक करूना? when CBI openly has given the name, he has told that DGP told him, Jaspal Singh told him that if you do not carry on with this bulldozing and demolition of the house, I will see that I will put in the drugs case or I will put in the Armed Act case or something and तू फोनान पडटलो. आणि आयज आमकां न्यूज मेळटा की ताका ट्रान्सफर केला. अरे तुका खबर लास्ट टाइम तुझ्या डिबेटी घेवन हांव उलयला, एक IPS ऑफिसर, दिल्लीचे IPS ऑफिसर येतात आणि दलाली करतात, बिल्डर लॉबी बांधल्या. कितें
I
केलें
want to discuss
IPS
a
आनी
little
ह्यो
bit.
कोणी
Yeah, but one
बायलेक
second,
मोलेस्ट केलें
let-
क्लबान मोलेस्ट केलें ताका कितें केलें ताका ट्रान्सफर घातलो तांकां सस्पेंड करूंक जाय
Yeah. Give Sanjay Baba a chance to talk. Pratima, I'll come back to you. Sanjay Baba, Pratima बाय कितें म्हणटा ते करेक्ट आहा. हे सगळे anyway, Samant Bab has just joined us, so he's the legal. This we'll talk to him about that later. Now the thing कितें आहा, लोक जाणा आता की हे सगळे पुलीस आहा ते बायलांक सपोर्ट करता. मीन बायलांक मीन पीपल हू कम फ्रॉम डेली, ते आमचेच इंडियन बट कम फ्रॉम इंडियन, पयशे आहा हेंचे कडेन. आनी हे तुमी खूब जाता तुमचे सायडीन. आतां तुमी म्हापशेचे, तुमी भोंवत आसता नॉर्थ गोवा, लायक देर आर लॉट ऑफ बिजनसीस इन नॉर्थ एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ लोक येता धंदो करता. मोस्ट ऑफ दीस धंदो, लॉट्स ऑफ दीस धंदो इट इज फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ लॉबी. हे खूब चलता तशें ते सायडीन आनी हे सपोर्ट करता. हे आतां प्रतिमा बायन म्हणला दॅट अबाउट डेट 2 cases you 2-3
Mention
cases
म्हापसा
मेन्शन केला म्हापसा आनी हय. आनी अशें चलता ते सायडीन इन नॉर्थ.
पळय मेन गजाल दिल्लीचे लोक
दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, पुना खंयचे आसूं
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर इंडियन्स.
करेक्ट.
खंयचे मनीस खंय वचून बिझनेस करूं शकता.
करेक्ट.
ते रेव्हेन्यू दिता आमकां गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक. सो सगळे दिल्लीचे लोक वायट न्हू. 20% जे लोक येतात दिल्लीचे आनी 80% जे 100 आउट ऑफ 100 20% अशे वायट आसता. दिल्लीवाल्यांचें नांव पिड्ड्यार करता. सो आमचें म्हणणें कितें आसा, आयज जे गोंयांत चल्लेलें आसा हेज्या पयलीं केन्नाच चलें नासलें. हांव तुमकां मुद्दम नांव कोट करता की आमच्या गोंयांत पोलीस इन्स्पेक्टर, हांव स्पेसिफिकली नांव घेता उमेश गांवकर. सेकेंड आमचो एल दिसा आसलो. अशें ते पोलीस इन्स्पेक्टर आसले, तांकां मागीर पोस्ट वाडलो. सो तांकां इतले लोक भियेताले तेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टराचो पावर तसो जास्त आयकनासले. आयज हांव एक्यूज करता डायरेक्ट होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा बाब प्रमोद सावंतजीक. कित्याक लागून तेजे कडेन होम मिनिस्ट्री आसा. जेन्ना सत्यपाल मालीक जी जेन्ना आमकां गोवा गव्हर्नराक आसलो कोवीड टायमाचेर, सत्यपाल मालिकान ऑन रिकॉर्डाक सांगलेलें की प्रमोद सावंतजी की मिसेस 150 करोड लेती है, प्रमोद सावंत 150 करोड लेती है. तेन्नाच जर प्रमोद सावंताक जर तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी काडलेलो बीजेपीन आनी दुसरो चीफ मिनिस्टर दिल्लो न्ही, आयज ही परिस्थिती नासतली आसली. ही होम मिनिस्टर म्हणटकूच ताका सगळी खबर आसता. आयज IGPक आमी ट्रान्सफर करता.
IGP
DGP ट्रान्सफर करता.
झाले ते ट्रान्सफर ऑन द वे.
rumors are that it is happening. अजून ऑर्डर जोपर्यंत ऑर्डर
सी सोशल मिडियान नाव तेजे येता. सो आमचें म्हणणें कितें आसा, जो डिसिजन होम मिनिस्टराक सांगल्या शिवाय डिसिजन कोण घेयना.
I disagree, but anyway we'll discuss this
नो
further.
एग्री. तशें म्हणपाचें ना. होम मिनिस्टर इज कंप्लिटली
He's final
रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
authority, yes.
होम मिनिस्टर तेरुसा रातचो गेलो आसगांवा. प्रत्येक गोंयकारांक हेतून कळपाक जाय, होम मिनिस्टर जर आसगांव जर वयता, हेजे पयलीं आमची ओल्ड गोवा चर्च कंपाउंडाच्या भितर सी शायना, सी इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली आनी ती BJPची तिजो बंगलो इल्लिगल आहा म्हूण सांगता. आनी आयज पासून गोंयचो CM त्या स्पॉटार कित्याक लागून वचना. आमकां ते प्रश्न हो म्हत्वाचो. तो जर थंयसर तेन्ना जर गेल्लो, आतां जर इल्लिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन मोडला आनी इल्लिगल घर ते एज पर टावन आनी कंट्री प्लॅनिंगा पासून म्हाका जर दिसना ते घर लिगल आसा म्हूण मोडला ते. आनी भितर आयज जे गजाली घडलेल्यो आसा न्ही, सी गोंयांत आयज लँड माफिया आनी गोंयची जमिनी जर आमकां राखपाक जाय, जर आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर बरो आसपाक जाय. गव्हर्मेंट आयज BJPचो म्हणटकूच हांव BJPचे अगेन्स्ट अशें म्हणिना. BJPचो आतां जर BJPच्या सरकाराक जर तांकां चलोवपाक कळना, जाल्यार हांव अख्खे गोंयचे जनते कडेन मागता, हें सरकार आयज कंप्लीट काबार करपाक जाय आनी गोंयांत नवें इलेक्शन घेवपाक जाय. कित्याक लागून आयज BJPक लोक कंटाळलेले आसा. आय एम कोटींग म्हापसा MLA. आयज तुमकां सांगता, एक आमचो गोंयचो डेप्युटी स्पीकर बाब जोशुआ डिसोजा, he is signing one agreement with one Kia company. He is as a partner आणि तो TCBचे रुला प्रमाणे बफर झोनान कन्स्ट्रक्शन करू शकना. सो तो एक सायन मारता. आतां एक प्रश्न पडटा म्हत्वाचो, आतां असेंब्ली सुरू जावपाची आसा. सपोज आमचो ओपोजिशन लिडरान जर ताका एक क्वेश्चन केलो आनी त्या सिटाचेर असेंब्लीच्या हेतून स्पिकराच्या सिटार तो बसला आनी ताका जर क्वेश्चन केलो की जोशुआ म्हणून ताका स्पीकर सर म्हणटले ताका
Now what
ना
topic is this?
टॉपिक येता मुसोंडीची
Ah,
जमीन
correct.
मुसोंडीची जमीन हिंदू स्मशानभूमीची जमीन त्यांनी एग्रीमेंट सायन मारला आणि CRZच्या भितर बांधलेले आसा आणि तो तेजे सिग्नेटरी आसा आणि म्हापसा म्युनिसिपालिटीचो चीफ ऑफिसर तेका कोणाक नोटीस काडटा जोशुआक काडिना कंपनीच्या पार्टनराक काडिना कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक काडटा आणि सेम थिंग इज हॅपन इन अंजुना ऑल्सो सेम जाला कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक तेंच्यांनी एक्यूज केला पण तेका डायरेक्शन कोणी दिला कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक डायरेक्शन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट कोणी दिला मे बी दॅट कोण ती आता कोण पूजा शर्मा म्हणटा तिणी सांगल्या शिवाय जायना न्ही किंवा ती जमीन कोणी विकल्या कोणाक एका पूजा शर्मा तेंच्यांनी डायरेक्शन दिला
अजून येऊन आणून कोणे इंकल्या ती जमीन
कोण आता कोणी तरी विकल्या न्ही
I feel that she should be arrested immediately.
She's been called on first, I think, no?
She's been
Contract-
called. She should be caught and bought and arrested.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट कोणी दिलो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट
Yeah, I agree.
सी आमचे चीफ ऑफिसर ऑफ म्हापसा म्युनिसिपालिटीन सेम केले हे सगळे डायरेक्शन कोण दिता हे गव्हर्नमेंट IAS ऑफिसर तेच दिता आणि आता चीफ ऑफिसरान नोटीस कोणाक काडपाक जाय एका जमीन कोणी घेतल्या तेका काडूंक जाय आसली हांगा नोटीस कोणाक काडूंक जाय आसली
लिटल डायवर्टिंग फ्रॉम द संजय बाब म्हाका कितें म्हाजो इश्यू एक आसा ओके हे सगळे आय एग्री हे सगळे इश्यू गोंयचे इश्यू आसा लँड इश्यू आसा हे इश्यू आसा नाव बट हे सगळे लॉ अँड ऑर्डर हे सगळे इश्यू जाता ते कित्याक जाता हू इज बिहायंड आणि हाव इज इट दॅट आमचे गोंयकारांक कशें हॅरस जाता ते मेन कित्याक पळय आता व्हॉट इज द रेट ऑफ फ्लॅट्स तुमी आसता 1 कोटी 2 कोटी कॅन यू एंड मी एफोर्ड दॅट
No.
सो द पॉइंट इज सपोज इफ हे सगळे येता हिंगा गोंयकार आणि गोंयकारांकूच हिंगा चान्स मेळना कितें गोंयान करपाक कितें फायदो कितें इज माय पॉइंट
No, फायदो कितें?
अबाउट एनीवे वेट संजय बाब आय विल टॉक टू विन्सेंट बाब नाव तुम्ही आसताच ऑन द फील्ड एनी इश्यूज क्रायम नाव हे क्रायम पयले वन्स अपॉन अ टायम वेन वी वर यंग वेन आमी हितून आसताले तेन्ना लोक संजय बाबान हें म्हणलें ही ब्रॉट 2 नेम्स उमेश गांवकार आनी एलडी सर लोक पुलिसांक भिताले आता तुम्ही आय रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम यू हॅड अ इश्यू विथ सम टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर
Yeah.
सो आता पुलिसींग लोक कित्याक भिना कित्याक सांगता डायरेक्टली तुम्ही आमकां भितर उडयतले 1 वरान 2 वरान आमी भायर सरतले बेल मेवतली why is it because of money, is it because of lack of will, or is it because the IPS especially today I am making a direct charge today a person from outside Goa has got more hold in Goa than a Goan. Why? Because IPS officers are from outside, they do whatever they want. Once upon a time when Manohar Parrikar was the CM, हे सगळे आसलेले ते भिताले तेंका आता कोण भिना. Is this what you are feeling from your whatever you go to report on the field? This is what my point is.
Yeah. First of all, if you see the police officer which is transfer on like sensitive area, like for example, you just check who is the SDPO in Bhardes, that area is belong to. For example, Mapsa, Penya. Check the background of that SPDO, how their background is this, in what case they were suspended before. If you see the background, that is a sensitive area, they are transferred in that sensitive area. And if you see now what Pratima Bhai said, that one of the officer was involved in that Agasaim accident case. So check that who is the officer was involved in that and where he is at posted now. So now to hide that case, so he is having some background of some politician. So now if he is having the background of the politician, he is working for some of the politician. If you see the background of like 10 years back, that some DSP was on the station or that area in charge, that DSP is no more in charge in that any station, SPDO, sub-divisional police officer. They are sitting in the police headquarters to do the some office work. So that for them it is kept inside. At the time of what you said, time of Parrikar time, they were posted in the area in charge, sub-divisional police station, sub-divisional officer. So they are sitting now inside. So they are given the some paperwork. So they was like tough DSP, tough PI. When they were PI and all, they were never using taking the influence from. They used to, like, people used to get scared to them. They are here, we we can't do this and this. Now if you see for Mapsa case that murder has done, see so many days the person was not arrested. So and finally within 2 days the police can arrest him. That means the police knows where he was hiding. So police can catch. Police now, for example, PI, sometimes PI can work, but the pressure is from DSP maybe. So because
or
of
SP or
yeah.
DIG or DGP, whatever.
Yeah, for example, now the same even now Asagaon, the PI worked in the good way, but because of some pressure from top, he could not work. And finally he spoke that now, because of the pressure I could not do on the groundwork. So that is the one reason. Now second thing, now for Asagaon there was a bouncer. So now bouncer was where they supposed to be and where they are using the bouncer. Bouncer now they are using, before the bouncer is to use like in casino, clubs, disco as a security, not to be the fight in the inside. Because I worked abroad in US and all, the bouncer is used in the disco.
For legal work.
Yeah, for legal work. If there any fight, they have to separate the
This
fight.
is illegal work.
And finally all the action was taken by the police.
So आता
But
हे
here
सगळे
the
किती
police
bouncer-
are using-
we stay
The bouncer
night
is
time and outside the casino after 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. What I got the information that bouncer is beating the guest and throwing out, and they asking, "Kuch karta hai karo." So they, even the guest cannot, the casinos, the guest cannot complain to the police because their bouncer is. But if you see the foreign countries, the bouncer are used only to separate the
Fights.
and finally the action is taken by the
Sorted.
police between the both parties. The person who is fighting in the club or anywhere. But here the bouncer is used as a gunda, and who is controlling them? Police cannot do anything. It is a, now the police also become, now if you see the Asagaon police become the, what I heard one of the politicians said is supari this thing, supari taking. So now head of the department is taking the supari and making the others to work. I don't know. That's what I have heard yesterday's news. One of the this thing politician said that it is a supari this thing now.
I don't know.
So-
One of the politicians was saying that police are only there to give challans. But anyway, yeah.
See, actually, if you go to see now, the lawmakers are become lawbreakers.
There is no fear of the law.
No.
No, lawmakers,
Law is
see,
wrong.
the politicians. No, I don't agree. Politicians were always politicians. But
I said lawmakers.
yeah, politicians.
Even IPS, IAS are the law, you know,
No,
they are
they
the
are
ones to
implementers.
protect us, implement करपाक. तेच law breakers झाले. आज बाय तू आताच म्हणतालो 1 कोटी 2 कोटी तू रावता हुई, तू हुई रावता ग्लेनबाग,
पणजे.
मिरामार, where do you
पणजे,
stay? पणजे. पणजे एक फ्लॅट घेवपाक गेल्यार तुका कितें मेळटा?
I don't know.
1 crore सकल मेळटा. But what happens, these builders lobby who come no from outside, they come with lakhs of rupees, 50 lakhs.
Lakhs, no, crores.
Sorry, 50 crores, 2 crores, 50 crores, 70
लाख,
crores.
फुलाच्या
त्याला सांगता
लाख
हे ले लो, टेक दिस एज अ टोकन, माय मॅनेजर विल हँडल. आणि तितूत कोण असता, पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज घेऊन हे जे बिल्डर लॉबी असता पळय, हँड इन ग्लाउज, हेंका पॉलिटिकल गॉडफादर्स असता, पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज घेऊन हे बिल्डर लॉबी आहा पळय, हे बडवागिरी, दे आर डुईंग द दलालगिरी. 60% ऑफ आवर गोवा, हिल्स, दोंगर, कोस्टल बेल्ट, पालोलेम यो, मांद्रे यो, हुंय जादा दिवस वचन पळय, आमचे गोंया आमकां दिसतीच पडना. शर्माज, वर्माज, ऑल दिस विलाज आर
Doctor, I want to take this little bit different. It's become like a very activist discussion, which is not. Maka ekucha. See, Doctor, what I'm saying is what I was trying to put forward to the panel is very simple. Now see, everybody is blaming the politicians, right? Okay. But most of these small works, from what I have known, you are also in that same. You're a lawyer. We are journalists, and we have been dealing with the police on a regular basis. Most of these small work, the politicians are not even aware what goes on. They can't knock off. Whatever you all may say, I am telling you this because I work with the police very closely. All PIs handle things at the local level. Then it is SDPO. He takes permission. And then it goes to DGP, DIG, whatever. Now today political interference is there much more than it was earlier, even though we had very strong chief ministers and ministers. But today on transfers, I want this person in this PI in this constituency. But the day-to-day work, politicians are not aware. But here, हे सगळे चलता ते fear of the law, गुंडागिरी, बास्टनारोस, सगळे ते येतात ते साइडीन चिमल्याचे मिले बाटकालचे. They are not goons. They come, they verification, the flag match, म्हापसाक वतात, the device pin केला तर आता कोणाक दाखोवपाक ते shopkeeperank. He doesn't know who are staying in the all these झोपडपट्टी. He is not aware. Cops know everything. तेंका हप्ते घेयना ते सगळे गाड्याचेर हप्ते घेता ते पर मंथ इतले. संजय बाब तू सांगो सगळे ते भोजी करता ते ऑमलेट पाव करता ते 5,000 घेता ते. आनी वयता हूंय कोणा वयता IPS ऑफिसरा लोक कलेक्शन करतले CMचे नांवान पयशे हूंय वयता हिंगा वयता नांव कोणाचे वयता माय पॉइंट इज दॅट द पॉलिटिशियन्स हॅव लेफ्ट इज व्हेरी लूज and this lobby is taking full advantage of Goa. Half of these IPS officers have got properties in Goa. They have got businesses in Goa. Let an investigation happen and let it be proved either in Benami name or your name. You are a lawyer. You are also involved. You are aware of what is happening in this land grabbing. You agree with what I am saying. Everybody blames the politicians, but don't you think that the IPS IAS lobby also has to take a huge responsibility for what's happening in Goa as far as convictions, law and order and all is concerned? Legally.
As far as
So we have to finish, and I'll start with you for the second part. Yeah, we have to finish. Just make it a little short. Yeah.
no, we as far as in the context of what has happened in Asagaon, first of all, political interference such thing is long known. It's not that it is.
It's new.
But as far as Asagaon is concerned, it is, I see politicians who are trying to file an FIR and politicians are seeing to it that people are arrested. It is the police and mechanable insult
Exactly.
are the ones who are protecting them.
Correct.
So how did it happen right from beginning? Why an FIR was not registered in the first place? Now, Chief Secretary's inquiry report is out. They have categorically named PI and subordinate of his, and they in turn has named DGP. So that investigation has to happen, and that investigation, because that is the most important thing. DGP needs to be investigated. He needs to be either transferred or kept under suspension
Before the investigation
before
starts.
the investigation actually starts.
Correct.
So it starts with there. First, have a high-powered committee which looks into this. Then second, cognizance of each and every person involved, even the accomplices which are there who facilitate this crime, not just bouncers. And third, the Delhi hand. If Pooja Sharma pe kon asa pay, tika just summons is not going to serve.
So I said,
Warrant has to be issued against her. She should be brought to justice, booked in accordance with law, whatever evidence is available. Now, it would be preposterous to say that no, local handlers only demolish the house.
not possible.
I mean, why Goans will demolish a house of a fellow Goans, make the plot level and give it to you? So therefore, from where the instruction to demolish the house came, from where the payments were issued, who were benefited by this entire transaction.
Doctor, give me, I have to take a break immediately. I'll be back. You will start the next session. Yeah, now the interesting part is I agree with Doctor, where I will want to go any further, because see, everybody blames the politicians. Ministers are, of course, that is there, but this is gone beyond that. I think today this huge administrative lobby has bypassed the politicians. Half the politicians don't even know what's going on in Goa, I feel. Though the blame they are going to take, and probably in the elections, if this blame falls, they will fall also. But anyway, we'll just bear with us. We will be back after a short break. Keep watching Goa 365.